I didn't press record. Hey, so I've been seriously under the weather and the videos are dangerously behind time and schedule. But I had to make an exception for today and make a very special video because I got something that I just couldn't resist showing. It's exciting. It's exciting. Believe me. You may not think so. Now, a bit of context. There's a lot of random shit up there, isn't there? I didn't show building the rest of the PC, which is sitting behind me. I basically had to build something that could keep up with the editing that we're doing, and that I would need in the future. It has a Threadripper 1950X. I think it's the best value for money sort of purchase in the CPU realm right now if you're doing video editing or content creation or anything like that. It's just so much bang for your buck, and I mean 16 cores is if only applications would use it, but it's nice to have and it's future proofing, I feel. Anyway, that's the lie I tell myself at night. Beyond that, 32 gigs of RAM. I got the Crucial Dominator series. So 4, 6 of 8. It works really well. The benchmark works really well, except in latency. It has serious latency issues, but I understand that's an issue for the Ryzen platform in general. I hope it gets fixed, and I hope I didn't just like buy the worst thing I could have. It works, I guess. I'm probably overstating how bad it is. I mean, it's just literally only the latency, but it is so bad. So bad. What else? Oh, M2 drive for the boot disk. I know it's like SSD, M2, what's the difference? But honestly, they're around the same price when I purchased them. So yeah, it's just like a 256 just for the boot and for critical programs. Then I've got a 1TB SSD, Sandisk Extreme Pro, and a 2TB scratch disk. So just like, you know, 720. That'd be so slow. 7200 RPM hard disk. Yeah. So I built all that about 2 weeks ago or so, maybe a month now. No, it'd have to be 2 weeks. When did it come out? I don't know. I built it before, but I never got around to upgrading the graphics card because one, it was already a lot for the rest of the stuff. It's a fuck ton. And plus I had a 970. So I was pretty happy with just keeping that over for my last build. It does the job. But you know that itch you get? That fucking itch. When you build a PC and you leave one component out. One component, and it's the goddamn graphics card. I just want to play some good games. I just want to play some games. This is probably not exciting for a lot of you. Bear with me, please. So, let's start building this thing. Okay, so, first things first, let's remove the cover. I can't recommend Fractal cases enough. Fractal design. I believe this is the Define C. Super easy to work with. Cable management is a breeze. This is going to be a pretty simple job. You can kind of see it bend in the graphics card. It's pretty old. I think I got it when they were announced. It's an MSI one, so it's not the original EVGA. But I never go for the original cards myself. I always wait to see what the companies can do. MSI was good, but I went with Gigabyte this time. Simply because I went with the Aorus thing, and holy shit, I'm gonna need a screwdriver. Okay, got a screwdriver. Now, I can actually start. It's a huge screwdriver. Someone who's building his own PC, I should really get an electrician set of tools. Okay, here comes the fun bit. So, unlock it. I believe that's unlocked. Let me double check. Cool. Even grip. Slowly slide it out. Okay. This is not. Ah, there we go. It's always nerve-wracking taking these things out. Look at that. How much dust is on that? Served me well. It's still working. But just want something new, you know. Set this down over here. Now, the big boy. I'm doing this in no particular order, but here is a little unboxing, even though you probably can't really see that well. It's an Aorus envelope. It's in it. What are you? Useless. Phone. Useless. Haha. Okay. Okay. That looks like it's going to be an important bit. Just put that there. In fact, I'm going to put this down and actually read. Let's read. Maybe we don't read. Okay. Oh, this is a big boy. It's definitely taller than the last one. I don't know if that's going to be an issue. I'm going to have to move down the space. It comes wrapped in electrostatic plastic. I don't know if that's the correct term. I could just be making something up right now. Okay. I should have had a camera on my face this entire time. The faces I make when I pull these things out. Honestly, it's nerve-wracking. Alright, let's see. Just a quick... Yeah, it's gonna... Oof. Oh wait, that's the cables that go into this. Okay, that's not too bad then. I can just squish those up. Alright. So take off this connector cover. Connector cover off. I can leave the other ones on, I guess, until I really get going with it. So, here we go. Hope I don't fuck this up. I don't want to fuck up $1,000. It's in. There, just screw it in, hope for the best. Don't do that. stressful. Done. Fucking finally. Jesus. Not. Now we're done. Oh, yeah. Put it